Well, only on Fox Carolina, the trial for a man accused of killing an Uber driver is happening in Greenville County. Michael Mecklenburg, who you see here, was shot to death after dropping off a passenger off East Parker Road. Mecklenburg was known and loved around the community, serving on the city's design review board. Deputies spent more than a year tracking down this suspect, Joseph Johnson III, and he's charged with murder. Mecklenburg was found dead in his car along Power Street just outside of downtown Greenville. And only we were inside the courtroom today.
Well, Fox Sky's Brooklyn Cromer has an update from the Greenville County Courthouse.
Both sides resting their case, and the jury will hear closing arguments on Thursday morning. The prosecution calling 3 expert witnesses to the stand, analyzing forensic cell phone data to try and place Joseph Johnson at the scene of the crime. Johnson's attorneys arguing the data could not pinpoint his exact location. Another witness claiming Johnson gave him details about the homicide. The defense also trying to poke holes in his story. Deputies say Mecklenburg was dropping off a passenger in the early morning hours of April 14, 2017, when Johnson, who lived nearby, went outside and began arguing with him. If found guilty, Johnson faces up to life in prison. We'll be following this case closely and continue updating you until the verdict comes in. In Greenville County, Brooklyn Cromer, Fox Carolina News.